Still got that chip.
Hang on to that chip. Hand off to Peterson at left guard. He comes up around the 44-yard line. A gain of about 3 or 4. Sensabaugh with the tackle. So, you know, he thought he was going to be drafted by Dallas in '98. They didn't take him. He was mad about it and vowed revenge every time he played him. He's played him 7 times.
He's won 7 times.
7 times. He's averaged 5 catches for 100 yards and 1.5 touchdowns per game. That's his average game against Dallas. 2nd and 7 here for Minnesota at their 44. I right formation. Schenko sets up on the right far 5 steps, rolling right stance. He's blasted as he throws it down the left sideline to Moss. Complete at the Dallas 39. Rolled out of bounds by Sensabaugh, and Favre is hurt. He was creamed as he threw that ball.
I think it was Igor Olshansky, if I'm not mistaken, Brad, and he had his ribs exposed at the end of this thing, and he got a chest full of Igor Olshansky's helmet, and that didn't feel good.
Nope, but he's still in the game.
Somebody tell him he's 41. He's 41 years old. Go home, play with the kids.
Hey,
in fact, he can play with the grandkids, literally.
Yeah, literally. He's 9 of 10 for 86 yards. The last 2 to Moss. 1st and 10 at the Dallas 39. Handoff. Peterson starts left, bounces it right. 40, 35, 30. He shoves Newman. And Newman gets him out of bounds at around the 27. There's a marker back in the backfield. This is holding Minnesota.
Holding. Offense, number 81. 10-yard penalty. Replay, first down.
That one's on Visante Schenko. What? Someone else can commit an infraction?
I must admit, that one looked a little bit cheap to me. Now, if you're a Cowboys fan, you say, oh no, that was holding. But you see a lot of what Schenko did right there that doesn't get whistled. He's got, I believe it was Anthony Spencer.
Well, he lets him go. I thought you told him before the game that